next item on BrassTrains.com is item 065487. This is from Key Imports, part of the Custom Series number 72, made in Korea by Samhongsa. This is a Baltimore, Ohio FA-2 AB diesel engine set. This model has the road number A unit 806, B unit 806X. Has operating headlight in the A unit, backup light in the B unit. Good in-cab detail in the A unit. There is no window glazing installed. We'll give you a demonstration of how they run together on track. And this model is available at BrassTrains.com. The item number is 065487.